It began, as these things often do, with an email that seemed innocuous at first glance but carried a weight that would soon be felt across the entire organization. The subject line read, "Coinbase security breach, urgent action required." The recipient, a senior executive, opened it with a sense of foreboding, an email that sent a chill down the spines of Coinbase executives. The words on the screen were stark and unambiguous. A breach had occurred, and the implications were dire. The executive's face turned pale as they read the details, their mind racing with the potential fallout. A chill that quickly turned into a five-alarm fire. Panic spread like wildfire through the office. Executives huddled in urgent meetings, trying to grasp the full extent of the breach. Alarm bells, both literal and metaphorical, were ringing. The atmosphere was charged with tension and fear. Coinbase, the darling of the cryptocurrency world, had been breached, hacked. The very foundation of their business, built on trust and security, was now in question. Employees stared at their screens in disbelief, the word breached flashing ominously. The estimated cost, a staggering $400 million. $400 million. Gone. The financial impact was immediate and severe. Graphs showed a precipitous drop, and the company's valuation plummeted. Investors were in a state of shock, and the market reacted with brutal swiftness, vanished into the ether, much like the cryptocurrency it dealt in. The digital assets, once thought to be secure, had evaporated. It was a stark reminder of the volatile nature of the crypto world. The very technology that promised security had been turned against them. It was a stark reminder that even in the digital age, no fortress is impenetrable. The breach had exposed vulnerabilities that many thought were impossible. The secure server rooms, once considered impregnable, now seemed like paper walls. The illusion of invincibility was shattered. The hackers, shrouded in anonymity, had struck at the heart of the crypto world. Their identities remained hidden, their motives unclear, but their message was unmistakable: no one is safe. The digital age, with all its advancements, had brought new threats that were just as formidable as the old ones. The attack sent shockwaves through the Coinbase user base. It was a day like any other when the news broke, and the ripple effect was immediate. People gathered around their screens, their faces etched with disbelief and concern. The digital world, which had once seemed so secure, now felt like a house of cards ready to collapse. While the company assured the public that only a small subset of customers were affected, the reassurance did little to calm the storm. The spokesperson's words echoed in the room, but the underlying fear was palpable. How could this happen? What measures were in place to prevent such breaches? Questions swirled as the company representative tried to maintain a composed demeanor. The impact on those individuals was profound. For many, their Coinbase accounts were more than just digital wallets. They were lifelines holding the fruits of their labor and the hopes for their future. The anxiety was not just about the money lost, but the trust shattered. Conversations with customer service were filled with desperation and a plea for answers. Imagine logging into your Coinbase account only to find your life savings gone. The screen that once displayed your financial security now showed a haunting zero balance. The feeling of helplessness was overwhelming. It was not just numbers on a screen, it was the embodiment of dreams, plans, and hard work, all seemingly erased in an instant. Sarah, a single mother who had poured her hard-earned money into Bitcoin, was one such victim. She had meticulously saved every extra penny, hoping to build a better future for her children. The investment in Bitcoin was her way of securing that future, a nest egg that she believed would grow over time. But now that dream was in jeopardy. She had dreamt of a better future for her children, a future that now seemed to be slipping away. The weight of the loss was not just financial, but emotional. Every glance at her children was a reminder of the promise she felt she had broken. The uncertainty of what lay ahead was a heavy burden to bear. Coinbase, to their credit, pledged to reimburse affected customers like Sarah. The announcement brought a glimmer of hope. Customer service lines were flooded with calls, each one a lifeline for those desperate to hear some good news. The company's commitment to making things right was a step in the right direction, but the road to recovery was still long. But would it be enough to restore their faith? The damage done was not just to their wallets, but to their trust in the system. Support groups formed where people shared their stories and sought solace in knowing they were not alone. The journey to rebuild trust would be arduous, and only time would tell if Coinbase could truly mend the broken bonds. As investigators dug deeper into the attack, a disturbing truth emerged. This was no ordinary hack. It involved an inside job. Coinbase contractors, individuals entrusted with access to sensitive systems, had been compromised. These weren't masterminds, but low-level employees, perhaps lured by the promise of easy money. Were they willing participants in this grand heist, or were they unwitting pawns in a much larger game? The line between victim and accomplice was blurry at best. Faced with this unprecedented crisis, Coinbase had a choice to make: pay the $20 million ransom demanded by the hackers, or fight back. In a move that surprised many, Coinbase chose the latter. "We do not negotiate with terrorists," declared Brian Armstrong, Coinbase CEO, his voice echoing the sentiments of a nation accustomed to standing up to bullies. Coinbase's refusal to pay the ransom was a bold move, a defiant stand against cyber extortion. Section 5. The price of defiance. Coinbase's defiance came at a price. The company, known for its bold stance in the cryptocurrency world, faced a challenge that tested its resolve and resources. The financial district buzzed with speculation as news of the ransom demand spread like wildfire. The stock market reacted, with Coinbase's stock experiencing fluctuations as investors held their breath. The $20 million ransom, a drop in the bucket for a company valued in the billions, was never paid. Instead, Coinbase chose to take a stand, refusing to bow to the demands of cybercriminals. This decision was not made lightly. It was a calculated risk, one that would have far-reaching consequences. Instead, they offered a $20 million reward for information leading to the arrest of the perpetrators. This bold move sent a clear message to the world. Coinbase would not be intimidated. The reward posters went up, and the hunt for the hackers began in earnest. It was a high-stakes game of cat and mouse. The cybersecurity team worked around the clock, analyzing data, tracking leads, and coordinating with law enforcement agencies. The boardroom meetings were tense, with executives weighing the potential fallout of their decision. Coinbase was determined to bring the hackers to justice, but the trail was going cold. Despite their best efforts, the clues were sparse, and the digital footprints left by the hackers were faint. The investigators faced a daunting task, piecing together fragments of information in a race against time. The hackers, emboldened by their success, seemed to have vanished into thin air. They operated from the shadows, their identities concealed by layers of anonymity. The dark web buzzed with rumors, but concrete leads were few and far between. The question on everyone's mind was it worth it? The decision to defy the ransom demand had far-reaching implications. It was a gamble that could either solidify Coinbase's reputation as a stalwart defender of integrity or expose it to further attacks. As the days turned into weeks, the tension grew, and the world watched with bated breath, waiting to see how this high-stakes drama would unfold. Section 6. A beleaguered industry. The Coinbase attack was not an isolated incident. It was a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities that plagued the cryptocurrency industry. Just months earlier, Bybit, the world's second-largest crypto exchange, had reported a staggering $1.5 billion theft. In 2024 alone, over $2.2 billion was stolen from various crypto platforms. The numbers were staggering, painting a grim picture of an industry grappling with security issues. The Wild West of finance, it seemed, was living up to its name. Section 7. The Shadow of Doubt. The Coinbase attack left a lasting impact. It shook the very foundations of the cryptocurrency world. Trust, once implicit, was now a commodity in short supply. Investors, once eager to pour their money into Bitcoin and Ethereum, were now wary. The allure of decentralized, unregulated finance was starting to lose its shine. The promise of anonymity, once a selling point, now seemed like a double-edged sword. Could the crypto industry recover from this blow? Section 8. Can trust be rebuilt? In the aftermath of the attack, Coinbase faced an uphill battle. Rebuilding trust, they soon realized, would be a long and arduous process. They implemented new security measures, beefed up their cybersecurity team, and launched a massive PR campaign to reassure their customers. But the scars of the attack remained. The question lingered. Could Coinbase, once a symbol of innovation and progress, regain its footing and lead the crypto world into a more secure future? Section 9. The future of cryptocurrency security. The Coinbase cyberattack served as a wake-up call for the entire cryptocurrency industry. It highlighted the need for enhanced security measures, greater transparency, and increased regulation. The future of cryptocurrency, many argued, depended on its ability to address these fundamental issues. Would this be a turning point? Would the industry rise to the challenge and create a safer, more secure environment for investors? Or would it succumb to the very vulnerabilities that threaten to undermine its very existence? Only time would tell.